I definitely have some explaining to do today. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, because I kind of am. So it kind of sucks because step one of today's process, I need to get my car clean because birds love to shit on my car. And I don't like when they do that, but you know, it happens. So we're gonna go clean the car real quick, and then I definitely have to take some pictures because I've been slacking on my picture game, if you know what I'm saying. And then I got some explaining to do about what is going on with all my car parts that I said I ordered and everything that is currently going on with the build. The problem with birds is it's really hard to get their shit off your car. I couldn't even get most of it off. Well, I got most of it off, but it's gonna take at least 2 or 3 washes to get it completely off. But I started recording because I just wanted to hear this. That makes me smile like every time I start my car. Now, we're just gonna go to a few of my favorite spots right now. I'm gonna record a little bit of an edit just to add a little bit more something to this video, because this video would be really short without that, and it would just be me talking, and I think my last like 3 videos were just me talking, so I think that might add a little bit more different stuff into my video. So we're gonna head to my first spot by the river. Hopefully it's not overrun by geese and fishermen, but I think because school started, I think there's gonna be a lot less people there, because before people were bringing their kids there. I just hope there's not that many geese there, because geese tend to hang around there a lot and they love it. A minivan just like bottom out right there and just give me the most judgmental look I've ever seen in my life, and it's because I parked crooked here because I wanted to take pictures. People are so judgmental about cars, it's ridiculous. I was pulling my car in here and some person goes, "Wow, why would you make that car loud? That's ridiculous." Why don't people understand cars, man? Like everyone, I feel like everyone around here just judges me for having a loud car. And it's ridiculous. Like, how are you gonna judge someone for having a hobby or like a passion? Or I don't judge people for like hitting baskets and shit. You do you, boo. Now, the reason you guys came is for an explanation that I need to give you guys. So, a while ago, I was still in Florida. I was telling you guys I was ordering car parts. I was talking to a few companies and I'm trying to do some shit, trying to do some moves. So pretty much, I've been messaging companies nonstop. Some of them have been pretty good. Some of them are like, nah, get the hell out of here. I'm not sponsoring you. I was trying, because you never know. You take a shot, sometimes stuff happens, but sometimes stuff doesn't happen. You know how it goes. But pretty much, I've been waiting for about 2.5 weeks now to get one part. Now, I have other parts that I've planned out, but I haven't ordered yet, mainly because I might be in between jobs right now because I am currently interviewing for a different position. So money is, again, a little bit tight, but like a paycheck or two, I'm planning to order a lot more parts. But I really wanted to get this last part first, or this part that I ordered first, as like almost like a milestone, as a like, this is the start of something new, something different. And I've just been waiting for such a long time from this. Currently, the part I'm waiting for is stuck in customs in St. Petersburg, Russia. I didn't know I was ordering parts from Russia. So I don't know what's really going on with that, but right now I'm waiting on something from Russia and it's stuck in customs there right now, or it's stuck through something. So that's the big explanation of where my parts are right now. I wanted to order this one thing first before I really started going like into detail and depth about what I'm actually ordering for my build itself. I have 2 things that are really going to change the appearance of the car, and that is the things I'm most excited for. But again, I wanted to get this one part first. I'm also doing a different kind of video. I'm not sure when this video is gonna be recorded because of the parts I ordered might be taking a while. I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent because I don't want to give video ideas away or what things could be. I think I got like 5 parts on the way though, and it's something that I think it's gonna be a cool video to do, and I'm kind of excited for it. Again, it's just all, right now it's just a big waiting game. I'm waiting on that means I'm waiting on 7 parts right now. A lot of this is a big waiting game for me. And it sucks because I'm not a big time YouTuber, so I don't have all the money in the world to spend on car parts. And I can't just get expedited shipping because I can't afford expedited shipping because that's just expensive. Being a small YouTuber in this like category of content is really tough for me, and it's really hard, but we're getting there. So we have parts on the way. Again, we have like 7 parts on the way. It's just all about waiting. Hopefully everything gets through Russia pretty quickly and I can get that one thing because I'm really excited about it. It's a new sponsor of mine and I think you guys are really gonna enjoy it. While I'm in the area, I found a Toyota dealership that's like in my hometown, and I'm kind of curious if they actually have a Supra. I'm not gonna run it. If they have one, I might run it and go take a picture of it real quick. But I'm kind of curious if they actually have one or if they already sold it, because I've heard nothing about anyone buying one in this area. So I'm kind of curious. I just looked in and they do have one. I'm gonna go look at it real quick or take a picture of it. I don't know. I'm not gonna bring my camera in because I don't wanna get in trouble. I wanna go look at the new Supra real fast. So I went in there to look at the new Supra because I saw they had a red launch edition inside of the store, and I just went to look at it really fast because I've never seen one in person. In person, that car looks fucking amazing, by the way. And I was like, I'm surprised no one's bought it. And the lady was like, yeah, well, no shit, no one bought it because the owner has it. I was like, oh. She's like, yeah, the owner bought it. Why wouldn't he buy it? I'm like, I don't know the owner, man. I don't know why you gotta be so mean about it. Like, yeah, I understand. I'm a younger looking guy who wanted to see the Supra, so I came in, but like, show some respect to some people. Damn it. That's a really common thing I do see around like my area though, is that if a cool car gets released, or like if there is car people, they work in the car dealerships, and like, for example, this Supra, no one in my area drives the Supra because the owners always buy them. So the GMs of my dealerships never sell these cool cars. For example, like even when the BRZ, like I think it was like the Series Blue, the Series Yellow, and the 50th anniversary, those never got sold to anyone in public because the owners bought them. And then when the new one came out, they sold it, and then they got the next new one just to keep in the showroom for a show car. In my Toyota dealership, yeah, they have the Supra. In the Dodge one, they have I think they have a Demon in there. Like, it's just all these GMs, they just keep the cars for themselves, and then they sell when the next best thing comes out, and it's kind of weird. I don't know. To me, it just seems like a weird thing to do because that car's never gonna get driven now. It is a launch edition. He's not gonna sell it. I don't know. It might just be like a personal opinion, but I hate when people buy cars just for show cars or just to have them and never drive them. For some, like, it's a car. It's meant to be driven. Yeah, I kind of want to have like a few cars in my future, and I think I'm gonna be able to do that. But at the same time, I want to drive the cars. I want to enjoy the cars for what they are. I don't want to just have a car that just sits in a garage for its whole life. I feel like that's kind of like disrespecting a car, if that makes sense. That Supra, guarantee it has like 5 miles on it, and it's never going to get driven. It's going to stay in that dealership until like the next big car comes out, and then he might drive it or sell it. It bothers me, man. I am gonna leave you guys off here today. I hope you guys kind of understand where I'm coming from. My parts are coming. So the one part, yeah, it's stuck in Russia right now, but it'll be here eventually. And then we have like 6 parts coming that I think is gonna make for a really good video. And then we have some big parts coming to actually change a lot of the aesthetic of this car, which I'm really, really excited about. So if you guys could comment, like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'll catch you guys next time. Keep doing you, and peace out.